In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail name. This process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to update your Gmail display name with ease. Whether you've changed your name officially or just want a fresh start online, changing your Gmail name can be an important part of updating your digital identity. First, we need to open your web browser and head over to the official Google account settings page. You might want to bookmark this page, as it's a handy place to revisit whenever you need to adjust your account details. Once you're there, look for the Personal Info section. This is the area where you can view and edit your basic information, such as your name, birthday, contact info, and more. In this section, locate the field that displays your current name. Click on it, and this will take you to the area where you can make changes. At this point, you should see your existing name with an option to edit it. Before you proceed, consider how you want your name to appear on the emails you send. This is the name your contacts will see, so it's worth ensuring it's appropriate and professional, especially if it's for work or networking purposes. Now, simply delete the old name and type in the new one. Take a moment to double-check your spelling to avoid any future confusion. Once you're happy with your new name, remember to save your changes. There should be a Save button for you to click to confirm the update. It's crucial not to skip this step, as failing to save will prevent your changes from taking effect. After updating your name, it's a good practice to send a test email to yourself or a friend to make sure everything has been updated correctly. This gives you a chance to see exactly how your new name appears in your outgoing messages. If the name still looks the same, you might want to revisit the settings to ensure everything was entered correctly and saved as intended. Lastly, it's important to understand that the name change will only affect emails sent after updating the settings. Any previous emails you've sent will still display the old name. If you have any lingering doubts or run into unexpected issues, Google's support pages can be a valuable resource for additional help. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Gmail display name. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your email communications reflect the name you'd like your contacts to see. Now go ahead and enjoy your updated digital identity.